Tired of fumbling around, trying to find your Coinbase wire transfer details? Let's cut to the chase. In the next minute and a half, I'll show you exactly where to find those crucial details to receive funds directly into your Coinbase account. First, log into your Coinbase account via their website. This process can't be done in the app. You must log into your account on a computer. Once you're logged in, look for the settings or profile icon. It's usually in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account settings. Within the settings menu, find the section labeled Payment Methods, Linked Accounts, or something similar. The exact wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for where your bank accounts are connected. Go ahead and click on that. You should see a list of your linked bank accounts. Find the specific bank account you want to use for receiving the wire transfer. Click on the View Details or Manage option next to that account. Here's the gold. On this page, you'll find all the necessary information for your wire transfer: the bank name, your account number, the routing number, and any specific reference codes. Coinbase requires double-check that all the information is correct. Remember, Coinbase employs strong security measures to protect your financial data. Always double-check you're on the official Coinbase website and be wary of phishing attempts asking for your wire transfer details. And that's it. You now have all the information you need to receive wire transfers into your Coinbase account. Receiving money just got a whole lot easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.